Good morning, students. Students, in last video lecture, we have calculated the packing efficiency in case of primitive unit cell, and in this particular video lecture, I'll calculate packing efficiency of face-centered cubic or cubic close packing. Okay. In face-centered cubic unit cell, constituent particles are present at the corners as well as at the center of each face. Consider this top face. Constituent particles are present at the four corners and also at the center of this face. I'll label these points as A, B, this point as C. AB is the edge length A. Similarly, BC is edge length A. Join the corner AC. Okay. AC में ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ यहाँ से द्वारा पे this is point A. This is point C. See, in actual, constituent particles are in physical contact. There are minimum or no intermolecular spaces in case of solid. यहाँ पे कुछ विजिबल है ना, एक्चुअल ऐसा होएगा. लेंथ कैलकुलेट करो. This is R. This length is 2R. This is R again. So AC is equal to 4R. Yes, AC is equal to 4R. First point इसमें करना है, that is relationship between edge length of the cube and the radius of constituent particle A and R. From diagram we have can say AC is equal to 4R. Okay, then consider triangle. In fact, right angle triangle A, B, C. If you consider the top surface of a cube, okay, point A, B, C. Imagine करो एक क्यूब लो हाथ में, point ABC देखो. Is it a right angle triangle? At B, angle is 90 degree. So in right angle triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to A square plus A square. When you solve this, you'll get AC is equal to A root 2. Make the above equation 1 and this equation is equation number 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have A root 2 is equal to 4R, or A is equal to 2 root 2 R. This is the relationship between edge length and the radius. B is volume occupied. by the atoms. This is volume V1. In case of FCC, number of atoms are 4. Number of atoms per unit cell 4. Into volume of one atom 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. V1 comes out to be 16 by 3 pi r cube. 16 upon 3 pi r cube. Then C is volume available or total volume. Total volume is V2 and V2 is the volume of cube. Volume of cube. V2 is equal to A cube. Substitute the values. Value of A is A 2 root 2 R cube. V2 is (16 root 2 R cube). Okay, now we have volume occupied by the atoms, total volume available. From this data, we can easily calculate packing efficiency. Last is D is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is V1 upon V2 into 100. V1 is 16 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume available was 16 root 2 r cube into 100. When you solve this, you'll get the answer equal to 74%. Students, now we calculate packing efficiency in case of body-centered cubic unit cell. In body-centered cubic unit cell, constituent particles occupy corner of the cubes and the body center. Body center is that point where body diagonal of the cube intersect. Okay. Consider this as a cube. Top face A, B, C. This one A, B, C. This is the body diagonal. Where body center lie? Here. Somewhere here. Okay. If this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C, we have already calculated what is AC. AC is A root 2. This thing we have already calculated in case of face-centered cubic unit cell. Okay. Now, concentrate on this part, CD. CD, imagine करो पहले बेटे CD point कौन सा है? Where A is left front corner of your ceiling, B is right front corner of ceiling, C is right side back corner of ceiling. Okay. D is diagonally opposite point to C. ठीक है. So क्या होएगा वो? that is the left corner of back side of the floor. Okay, that is D. Now try to imagine this triangle CAD. CAD दोबारा देख लो CAD राइट एंगल बन रही है एट राइट एंगल्ड एट A. यहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन A एंड R. इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल CAD, CD square is equal to AC square plus AD square. AC is A root 2 square plus A square, which is equal to 3A square. So CD we have root 3 into A. Make this equation 1. Also this CD, 3 atoms lie in a line like this. This is point C, this is point D, C, D. Distance from to C to D is R plus 2R plus R equal to 4R. So from diagram, we have CD is equal to 4R. Make this equation 2. From 1 and 2 and 2. Comparison karo. 3A square is equal to under root 3A is equal to 4R, which means A is equal to 4 upon root 3 R. Okay. Next is volume occupied. B is volume occupied by the atoms, that is V1, and V1 is equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 pi R cube. 2 कहाँ से आया? Because 2 atoms are present per unit cell in case of body-centered cubic arrangement. So it is 8 by 3 pi R cube. Okay. C is total volume available. Total volume is V2 and V2 is volume of the cube. So we have V2 is equal to A cube. Substitute the value of A. 4 divided by root 3 R cube. On solving, V2 is 16 divided by 3 root 3 R cube. Okay, last is packing efficiency. D point is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is volume occupied by the atoms V1 divided by total volume V2 into 100. V1 is 8 upon 3 pi r cube upon 16 3 root 3 r cube into 100. When you solve this, answer comes out to be approximately 68%. So to wind up, what we have, जो आप learn करोगे, packing efficiency in case of body centered cubic unit cell is 68%. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.